And dance.
You can't?
No.
I must go.
Well, we did see a kid with green hair. Oh, and a dog that could whistle.
Oh, all right. Well... Look! It's the presidential helicopter!
Thanks for the lift, guys. If the president wants to shoot hoops again, just have him call my personal assistant.
Hey, Ham! Welcome back. How was your trip?
Comet baby, my main monkey man. Trip was awesome. Holding down the fort?
You know it, Captain.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Tony was right. This video game is amazing. We'll play later, Blast. I just got to the last level. This game is really hard. Huh?
Or should I say, giant brat? Oh, it worked!
Plum? How's the cooking going?
Hey, my star course is a secret. Get back to your seat.
Dahlia and Blast are getting hungry. Need any time?
Yes. Plum's super magical restaurant will blow your minds.
Let's see how you like that. Whoa! Oh.
Goodbye, Bubbly Bird!
Approaching planet Malgor. Landing on planet Malgor.
Correcting entry angle.
Let's light this candle.
Lighting candle.
Goodbye, Malgor. I'll miss you.
Return to Earth initiated.
This isn't working. Can you give me a hand, buddy? Where's...
Or should I say, giant brat?
Oh no! She made me as tall as the buildings! Hey, we're at the magic store. Maybe Mom can help.
That is what I'm talking about. He nailed it.
Oh!
Oh, I can't wait! I want to see everything. Fluvians, globhoppers, even the cave of the flesh-devouring bees. Oh, no! What? I can't make it stop! I'm so sorry, Kilowatt. I hope I didn't hurt them.
I don't think it hurts them. I think it makes them kind of goofy.
Alfred, what kind of weapon systems do we have?
Oh, it worked!
Number, and we're here to answer your questions.
That's right. So,
Yes, Alfred? No time now, Alfred. Duty calls.
Hello, Rocket. Initiate pre-flight check.
Give up. What are you gonna do now, little witch? It's magic time.
आराम, हम जीतेंगे मेगा ड्रेन अटैक से। हाइपर बीम अभी।